Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy Bee, I'm going to share with you how I make my simple vegetable rice. We're going to be using our steam pot to steam our vegetables right on top of the rice. It's all going to be made in one pot. Let's get started. I'm going to start by cooking my rice, so I'm going to go ahead and remove my steam basket and get my pot filled with water. Then I'm going to generously salt my water. Now you want to add your bag of rice to the pot, and we're going to make sure that is completely submerged in the water. Place it on a medium heat and bring it to a boil. So while our rice is coming to a boil, we're going to go ahead and prepare our vegetables. So the three vegetables that I'm using today is frozen sweet peas, frozen corn, and we needed some shredded carrots. Well, you can buy carrots that are already shredded. However, I had carrots on hand, and so I'm using my cheese grater to go ahead and get my carrots shredded up. Works like a charm. Our rice has come to a boil. Now we're going to place our steam basket on top of the pot, and we're going to add our vegetables in. So we're simply going to add our vegetables right into our steam basket, and here are our shredded carrots. To that we're going to add 1 cup of frozen sweet peas. Then we're going to add 1 cup of frozen corn. Everything is all done. Now you want to carefully remove your steam basket, then drain your rice. Using a pair of kitchen shears, you want to cut the top of your rice bag and carefully empty the rice into the pot. I'm going to go ahead and lightly season my rice. I'm going to use a few simple ingredients: garlic powder, onion powder, and white pepper. We're going to mix everything up very well, and we're going to add our steamed vegetables. Guys, this little simple dish is going to make life easier for me during my work week. I have a rotisserie chicken that I have purchased from my local Costco, and that's going to be one meal. Another day, I'm just going to pop some sausage into the air fryer, and we can have some vegetable rice on the side. So it pairs with many different things, and I certainly hope you enjoy it. Once everything is mixed well, add about 2 tablespoons of butter. I am using garlic butter because I had garlic butter on hand today, and this is just going to enhance the flavor even more. And guys, that is it. I certainly hope you have enjoyed this quick and simple little video of how to make vegetable rice in one pot. So please take the time to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.